Yay! We have a new cart. Yan. Part ng aming Lazada 77 haul. Ooh, yan. Pang stocks. Pang stocks day. So, on our way to Los Baños today, we're actually going to be full sa VF3. So, 4 passengers. And then, yung charger sisiksi ko sa likod. Sana hindi naman siya maipit. So, I've done that a few times. Okay naman siya.
Oh my God, Olivares, I love you. I miss you.
Yan. So, here in Los Baños, dito kami nag-grocery with the in-laws. So, this is South Supermarket. Now, I wanted to show you this. Yan. So, kasi before, etong parking area nila, open lang siya. So, as you can see, may bubong na siya. Pero, all of these are actually solar panels. Sobrang astig. So, di ba? Lahat yan, solar panels. So, imagine the energy na nasa-save ng South Supermarket using these solar panels. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. Sobrang saludo. So, we've noticed you've been watching our content, so thank you very much. But please don't forget to subscribe so that we can create more content just for you. Hello, good morning. Today, July 18, we actually have an event that we'll be going to that's in the north. We are going to an event today. We were invited by NAMI Owners Club Philippines through the Philippine EV community. So thank you very much. Maraming mga naka-VF3 na pupunta. And then syempre, we'll be sharing this occasion with NAMI. Congratulations on your first year. And then meron din ibang other EV groups na pupunta. So that's in San Fernando, Pampanga. And we need to charge. So, back here at Caltex BGC. Ngayon lang kami ulit nakabalik dito. So, charging kami gamit AC Mobility and eDraw. So, bago kami napunta rito, nagpunta kami sa Rockwell Power Plant, which is our go-to charging station lately. Kaya lang, grabe, nandun kami 5:30 AM, sarado pa yung parking. Pagbukas ng 6 AM, pagdating namin sa charging station, grabe, pang-anim na agad kami. Ang bibilis ng mga tao dun. Kaya we opted to come here to Caltex BGC para makapag-charge before going to the event sa North. So we'll see you there. Again, congratulations NAMI Owners Club Philippines, and thank you for inviting us, and thank you to the Philippine EV community. Okay, charging done 100% here at Caltex BGC. 210 kilometers for the remaining range, and battery temperature umakyat ng 42 degrees. On our way to San Fernando, Pampanga for the night. Okay, nagpahugas lang kami on our way to San Fernando. Current state of charge is 96, 203 remaining range, and battery temperature is at 41 degrees. So, pasok kami Makati and then labas sa Buendia, SLEX para makasampa ng Skyway. Okay, Skyway na kami. Buendia on-ramp, and then ang baba namin, NLEX na.
In 1 kilometer, use the left 2 lanes to continue straight. In 5.4 kilometers, exit right to E2, Skyway, North A Boniface show-off ramp.
Medyo traffic sa NLEX. CR lang kami sa Petron Marilao and then San Fernando. Ingat!
Exit right to NLEX, North San Fernando exit.
Okay, so we are 4.3 kilometers away from our destination to meet the guys. Again, congratulations to NAMI Owners Club Philippines. Happy anniversary. DF3 kaya? Kailan? Kailan ang anniversary natin? Hindi rin alam. Ayan, so see you guys in a bit. We are here! Lala Garden. So, nandito na yung mga VF3, Nami, si Rob. Yan. So, congratulations again, Nami, on your first anniversary Nami Owners Club PH. So, makikigulo kami sa inyo. Thank you for the invite. Kay Eric. Kay Tito B. Kay Fritz. Titignan ko yung external screen niya, ma'am. Uy! Kay Miss Liv. And kay Sir Ferds. So, meron tayo, of course, Seagull PH is also here. So, meron tayong representatives from them. Tesla. I think this is Dongfeng. I could be wrong. Thank you, Paul. Ang ganda na ito. Ugi. Ugi naman na ito. May heartbeat. Ay, hindi. Plug pala. Ang ganda ng DLF niya. Ano yung DLF niya? Yan. So, thank you. Congratulations again. Happy Aniv. Thank you for the invite. Boss.
Hi, Jeff. Of course.
Hello, hello.
Musta? Ano, kumain na pa kayo, di pa?
Hindi pa.
Buti nakahabol kayo.
Oo. Tagalan lang kami dahil sa nag-charge pa. Ay, may pony. Ay, wow. Rotaries. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Rotaries. Ganda yan. Ganda. Ah, yung iba pala may Nami. Yung iba logo ng Dongfeng. Ito, nagpa-debadge na siya. Tinanggal niya na. Oh, Rotaries din yata. Ganda! Best tune. Ang ganda nitong blue. Ano yung blue? Ang ganda rin ng Nami. Nakakatuwa. Ito kay Sir Ferds. Monster VF3. Ganda talaga ng mga VLF. Oh, nice. Rotagrid. 17s. Weds. Best tune po niya. Ang cute talaga nito. VF3 ng FHV Garage. Sobrang ganda. C3PO na grill. Hindi pala siya Baymax. Ah, ito yung bar. Okay. Ganda. Dongfeng. Anong Dongfeng? Ah, Dongfeng Vigo. Pala tsura niya. Ang ganda. Crossover. Ganda. Dongfeng Vigo. Yan. So, register lang tayo and then kain and then ikot ulit. Pababa rin tayo ng araw. Ang init. Yan. So, for this event, meron tayong power on wheels that you can avail para makapag-charge kayo pa uwi. So, thank you very much again. JP! Hello, hello. Thank you.
Ano ba yung vlog?
Happy
Hello,
Anip.
channel.
Happy Anip.
Lumabas na rin sa baka yung natin.
Siyempre, na-upgrade sa plaka. Birds!
Ano yun, ito na yun, hindi ko pa makakalimutan sa loob to. No? And, of course, most of us, say for example, si CJ, no, halos kasabay, Jay. So, good day everyone. So, it is truly a pleasure to see all of you here as we celebrate a significant milestone. Yun yan, the first anniversary of the Namin EV owners. Nothing possible without the support of our partners. Of course, our thank you to Lala Garden Cafe, San Fernando, for opening your beautiful doors and providing us with such wonderful venue for today's gathering.
So we medyo lacking features, so that's where the fun part begins. So yun lang. So the group starting to get bigger every year. So hopefully kasama namin kayo guys sa mga inter-EV events natin and mga fun runs. Pero slow down lang kayo kasi hanggang 104 lang. Ayun lang. So it's nice to see everyone and hopefully you can enjoy with that. And thank you sir. Thank you for having us.
Thank you sa mag-invite. Ikot pa kami ng members galing Manila.
Spin the wheel, okay? Yes, I'm getting old. Alright.
Ako, Miss Liv. Kay Ozumo. Kay Ozumo, ganda oh. Sir, group buy daw. Group buy, oh. Ah, Miss Liv, group buy, oh. Oh, group buy, oh. Game.
Gagawa ko ng GC
Ayan, ah.
Ito yung latest namin.
Ayos. Kamusta yung wiring niya? Tinap siya sa park light?
No, hindi. Nakasarili yan, sir.
Ah, nakasarili.
Kasi pag park light, you have to turn it on.
Correct.
This one, pag i-turn on mo ng engine, bukas na siya.
Nakaano siya sa accessories.
Accessories, USB. Yes.
Bago yung grill nila, hindi yan yung grill dati.
Binago ulit, no?
Binago pa.
Ganda, sa kanila.
Tsaka yung pag lamps dito, Bio, naka-incorporate sa stock bumps. Tapos naka-tri-lens.
Oh.
Vertical na tri-lens.
Yan.
Pero,
Lights.
Pero yung grill yan pa rin ba yun?
Yan pa din, same. Laki, pinapricate namin yan. Ito yung stock.
fabricated sa...
Bagong bumper na. Bagong bumper.
fabricated na pala.
Ganda nito.
Maganda eh.
Parang nag-OEM na rin no? Na bumper.
Moldehan nyo na yan.
Kasi kung medyo mahal, kaysa yung stamp, kakabit lang namin yung tool namin, mas mura.
Maganda kasi yan pag namoldehan nyo, kahit carbon fiber kaya nyo gawin.
Hali.
Ganun talaga. May bibili niyan. May bibili niyan. Imoldehan nyo na.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you. Ingat. Okay. On our way home, again, thank you very much to NAMI Owners Club Philippines. Happy anniversary. Congratulations to you guys. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you, Philippine EV community. So, we just charged at Vista Mall Malolos kasi we noticed na sa mga 40% na lang kami kanina. Baka lang di umabot. Mandaluyong pa kami. So, medyo malayo-layo pa. I forgot to check the distance. Pero para sure lang. Ayan. So, V-Green naman siya. VinFast charger. So, free charging. We are now at 100% to 10 kilometers for the remaining range. And 44 degrees for the battery temp. Nga pala, I noticed, hindi ko alam, I think it's because of the firmware update. So pagkatapos namin mag-charge, napansin ko na meron ng new notification sa head unit ng VF3. Ang nakalagay ay charging complete. It also shows the time it took to fully charge and from what percentage to the time you stop charging. Time 1 hour and 40 minutes and then battery 39% to 100%. So ang galing, nakakatuwa. It's easier now to track kung kamusta yung charging ng VF3 nyo. So document nyo yun, sayang i-log nyo yun kasi the more you use the VF3, baka magbago siya in time eh. So pwede nyo i-log yun. So thank you very much everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. So I personally reply to all the comments with the help of my wife. This helps us create more content just for you. We noticed you've been watching our content, so thank you very much. But please make sure to subscribe so that we can create more content just for you. Hello, July 12. Short vlog for today. We'll be going to Naiya to pick up a cousin and then ikot-ikot kami doon. But first, we'll need to charge at V-Green sa may PITX. That's in Coastal Luxury Residences. So for those in the area, that's another charging station that we can go to. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Nga pala, someone in the comments asked about the PMS. If you can remember, meron siyang ring before you put the device dun sa pito. Sabi ko rin na palagi niyong dadalhin to. So sabi ko rin palagi niyong dadalhin to. So tinanong ako kung hassle ba raw magpahangin because of this. Dahil dun sa ring, sa may pito. Sabi ko hindi, pero medyo hassle nga pala siya. Basing, wala tayong charging? Sira?
Meron sir, tabi muna kayo pag may lumabas yan.
Sige. No problem.
Sir.
Salamat. Ayan. So, charging muna tayo. Medyo maambon lang, kaya payong tayo. Pero, wala namang problema mag-charge kahit muulan, ambon. Konti lang, basta huwag masyado malakas. Ayan. Nakabili ba kayo nung plastic na magnetic? Pwede yun dito. Pero per kasa, huwag niyong tatakpan lahat kasi medyo umiinit pa rin siya. So, kailangan sumisingaw pa rin yung heat coming from the port. Yo, charging na kami. Start kami actually at 60%. So, it will take 40 minutes to full charge. Ayan. So, thanks again sa Green GSM drivers. Buti may lumabas, kaya nakapag-charge kami agad. There you go, 100% na kami. So again, this is at Coastal Luxury Residences. So ayan, kita yung PITX from the charging station. So when you Waze it, make sure to Waze Coastal Luxury Residences. If you're in the area, make sure to also check Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Meron din dyang AC Mobility, Evro na charging station. Ito yata yung may exit tapos entrance na nung Naiya.
Parang
Di ba yung bago? Bossing! Yung parking sa dulo dito pa rin, ano? Okay, thank you! Naiyan na kami, so yun yung papunta sa parking. And then, bago na siya. Pagpasok mo, puro kainan na. Yahoo! Mama Luz. Kenny Rogers. Marugame, Jayco. Jayco Reserve. Si Mary Grace nandito pa rin. Paris Baguette. Marugame, I see Watami Grill and Sushi Bar. Nanyang yata yun, Nanyang. Chili's oh. May Chili's na dito. Ganda na. Angel's Pizza. Aba, may Estrel's. Yan, so may Estrel's na dito. Favorite namin na cake. So may bread talk sa right. Angel's Pizza, Popeyes. Ibang-iba na yung layout. Naliligaw na kami. So may UCC, Mentore na rin. And then Pancake House. Seattle's Best, KFC, Chowking, tapos may LA Chicks. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung LA Chicks na yun. LA Chicks. Uy, may Banapol. OG ah. Ngayon na ako ulit nakakita ng banapol. Yan, so may Chowking doon. Ayun, may pagkain pa. Ay, may food court. Pero sarado. May parang food court na pala rito. So may parang food court na pala rito sa Terminal 3. Sa level 1. Pasalubong. Pure Foods, Magnolia. Street Sarap. Ito na yung papunta sa parking. Ito yung sarado dati. Ayos ah.